Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another really cool looking character from Little Nightmares 2. This time it's gonna be the awesome looking hunter. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's a lot of fun to draw. So to begin, we're going to draw in the visor area first. Just draw one curve, and then on the top, just come across, just give it a slight curve, And then from here, we're gonna come down and draw the head first, and then we'll come back up and finish up the cap. All right, so we're gonna come to the side right here. Okay, so just draw in almost an kind of like an egg shape, but just make it a little bit wobbly. All right, so it's quite long. And then once we get to the bottom right here, we'll just pinch it in. Okay, and then from here, start on the bottom right here. This is gonna be a rope that kind of goes around it. So just come down and then go back up. And then now to finish up the rest of the bag right here, just come back up here, just draw 2 curves coming down or 2 lines. And then now we're just gonna wrap it all the way around, but just give it a wavy line. So it doesn't have to be exactly like this, just as long as you have some of these curves. Okay, so let's come back up here. And for his eyes, just got 1 big hole right here. And again, it's a little bit longer. And then on the edges right here, I'm just gonna make it look like the cloth is kind of ripped up. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see this. All right, and then now to add in some of the folds right here, right on the middle right here in the bottom. Just adding some of these lines. And the same thing on the top right here, just adding some of these lines kind of coming down. All right, so now that we have the head, let's go ahead and finish up the cap. And the cap's really easy. I'm just gonna extend it. Drawing 1 section, so same curve as the bottom. And then now for the top, we'll just draw in 1 big dome shape. And then right at the tip. All right, so let's come down and draw in the body. So his shoulder is gonna be right around here. We can add in 2 little lines. Well, actually this one is gonna be behind this, okay? And we'll come down and draw in the armpit first. So his armpit is gonna be right around here. We'll just extend this. We're just drawing the coat first. All right, so we're stopping here. This is gonna be the waist. And then now we're gonna flare this out. So it's gonna be a longer coat. We're gonna come in with a slight curve and then just kind of leave a little bit of space in the middle. Come to the middle of this, curve down and just connect to this. And then this side, just go up, just tuck it right behind the line right there. All right, so that's the shape of the coat and we'll draw in the details later. Let's go ahead and finish up the arms. Okay, so the armpit's gonna be right around here. Come from the top right here on the shoulder, just come down. Inside as well, so we're stopping right around here on the waist. Close it off. And then it's got a really big cuff that's kind of folded. So just extend it. Just draw pretty much like a rectangle, but just round everything off. Okay, and then for his hand, start here. For the thumb, 1 little hook. Here's the back of the hand. And then the inside right here, just draw 1 little line. That's gonna be the inside of the hand, I guess the palm of the hand. And then now for the finger. All right, so just curve down and connect to that. And then for the other fingers, just 1 little bump inside. Okay, so that's 1 arm. And then now for the other one, it's gonna be holding the shotgun here. So we'll come across right here. Here's the armpit. So this one's gonna be at a slightly different pose. So on this side, we'll come down, just curve it. And then from the armpit right here, curve and then just close it off with a slant. And then again for the big cuff, just 1 big rounded rectangle. And then now for his hand, so he's gonna be gripping the gun. So I'm gonna start on the top right here. Just gonna curve Just one little hook right there for the thumb. And then one curve like this for the inside of the palm. Now come to the bottom right here. Just curve. And then from here for the other fingers, I'm gonna start right here. Just curve all the way down. Just kind of like an egg shape on the inside here. Add in 2 lines here for the fingers. And then if there's any gaps, just close this off. Alright, so now that we have the arms, let's go ahead and add in the details for the coat right here. So right on the waist area, I'm just gonna add in this line. It's got some stitchings. Or maybe it's just a band. Just drawing some lines across. And then right here, just one big bar. And then for the buttons, I'm just gonna draw 3. And it's got those big pockets on the side. So just come in on both sides. Just come down, just follow this slant. And then just round it out. Alright, and then for the flap on the inside, another curve. And then one more button right in the middle. Okay, so yeah, so those details are always easy to draw once we have the overall shape. So now let's draw these legs. So I'm gonna come down right here. It's kind of tucked into his boot, so I'm just gonna give it a little angle like this. Come straight across. And then just kind of go up. Just give it a little bit of a wobbly line. And we can add in some details right here because it's being tucked in. Alright, so now for the boot, I'm going to start on the inside. Just come down. Come back up here. Come about halfway, I'm going to stop. Curve out and then just close it off. Okay, so come about halfway. Go out. Close it off. And then now on this little curve right here, just extend it in. So make it a little bit more 3-dimensional. Alright, and then we can add in some details. Just one line here and even one on the bottom for the sole of the boot. Okay, so that's the full body shape, and now we can join the shotgun here. So for the shotgun, we're gonna have it kind of at a slant. So let's just go ahead and start right here. Just drawing a bar. So once we're on one side, we'll extend it to the other side. I know mine's is like really wobbly. Hopefully yours is a little bit straighter. Right, so just one bar. And then now we can join the detail for the shotgun here. So right here, I'm going to continue this, come down. Just give it a little bit of an angle right here. And then now come all the way down, almost straight down to the foot area. So this will be touching the floor. Okay, and then come back up here. One little slant. Just come down to right around here, and then I'm going to flare this out. And then close out the bottom. Okay, and then one little bump right here from this corner. And add in the trigger right in the middle. And for the details right here, just drawing one curve all the way to this corner. Alright, so that is it for this hunter. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.